O Mother, Daughter of God, and Queen of Angels, whom Mark and Luke and Matthew and every saint adores. Guard my soul and my body, flower of rose without thorn, praying to God that they do not follow my deceits in judging me, but according to His great mercy. For I have done so many sins through my foolish folly, that if I lived 1,000 years in harsh penance, so great are my many failings that I would have no salvation, if with mercy God does not forgive me and keep me not for me. For I have not done what would deserve it. For I was false and lying, envious and thieving, and with others' wives I did not hesitate to fail. Covetous and evil speaking, I wasn't cunning and deceitful and greedy, if I found someone to deceive. Therefore always I confess myself entirely thus, and I have no power over myself to heal, nor any capacity. Therefore I come to beg mercy. Glorious Mary, that you deign to avail me so much, that I may be guarded by you from all evil in this treacherous and disloyal world, and you give me eternal joy. Just as God was born of you and received human flesh, and your virginity remained whole and healthy, so guard me if it pleases you from sudden death, truly sorrowful. I believe that I am penitent for all my failings.